friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your Gmail contacts. Now once you're inside Gmail, guys, if you look to the right hand side, you will see, let's say, a icon with a person, right? Or let's say a call. You will find the contact icon on the upper right hand side. Now if you click on that, you'll see your contacts. However, if you want to back up your contacts, you want to go ahead and go to your Google account, and then you'll find the Google Apps icon on the upper right hand side. Click on that, and you want to locate contacts and open that. Now this will take you into all your contacts that you have, and it's very easy to export these contacts. All you have to do is simply go ahead and look to the upper right hand side, and you will find export. You simply click on that, and and here you have three options. You can export as a CSV, or a CSV for Outlook only, or even for vCard. That works for Android or iOS. Now once you select the one that you want, simply click on export, and here you have the CSV file that you can easily go ahead and do whatever you want with that file. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.